Hello people, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube using Python code. So I'll show you how to configure Python code, Google Console to manage API for YouTube and upload a video in your channel. So I'll guide you through every piece of code to upload a video. So you can use this method to automate YouTube content uploading. So it will make video uploading very easy. So in this part, I'm going to show you how to set up API in Google Console to upload a video in YouTube through API using Python code. So in this part, let open Google Console. Just type Google Console. Okay. Yes. So you can see cloud.google.com. So you just need to click on console. So at first it will ask you to enter your country. So I'm going to enter France and I agree. So I didn't like to get any product news, so I didn't click this option. So then you need to click here. You can see there are three lines. So this is the navigation bar. So here you can see bunch of options like billing, admin panel, marketplace, vertex. So you need to click on API and services. I repeat, click on API and services. So you are now in API and service page here on the search menu. So this is the search. Type YouTube, and you can see YouTube data API v3. You don't need to select YouTube analytics. You just need to select YouTube data API v3. Click here. So you can see YouTube data API v3 with a logo, and here you have two options to enable it or try it. So we'll enable it. You can click enable. It will take some time, maybe few seconds. Let's wait. Hey, congratulations! Now, first step is done. We enabled YouTube data API v3. Now, click on navigation bar again and click on API and services. So, here you can see my first project. Google create you this default project, so you don't need to create any project. Now click on auth consent screen. I repeat, click on auth consent screen and you can see this screen. So here you need to click get started. So in the app name, you can name anything you want. I'm entering test app. Here enter your email. So I'm copying my email for next field. So you need to click external because sometime you need to give access to external user to access your API. So it's okay. So contact information, just enter your email and click finish. I agree to the Google API services user data policy and click create. Hola! Next step done. Now we are going to move to another step. So now we are going to add scope to your API console. So basically here you are going to approve Google to use your data, your API. So click on add or remove scopes. So here you can see lots of options, but we don't need all of them. So just go to third page. Here you can see YouTube Data API v3. Click on all the check buttons that shows YouTube Data API v3. So I'm clicking all of them on the third page, and on second last page I'm also going to select some other field. So you also might need to select service API management and other part of YouTube Data API v3. So that's all. After selecting all the check buttons, you can select update. So voila, you can see your non-sensitive scopes and your sensitive scopes here. Done. So you need to enter save. So yeah, and this is third step, a very important step. Here you need to add users to use your API. So you can use your email and save it. In this part, if you want other users as a developer or user, you can add their Gmail username also. So that's also done. And now we are going to create a authentication JSON, a secret JSON to access the API. Basically, it's the API key, secret API key. So create a client. Here you can see bunch of options like web application, Android, Chrome, iOS, TV, and a lot. So we are going to upload a video from Windows machine or Linux machine, basically from Python. So it's a desktop app. So click on desktop app. So you can give it a name. So I'm just renaming it test client create. So after creating, you can see a pop window. So you need to download the JSON. So I just downloaded this and see this is the JSON file here. I'll show you. So this one is old. So and click on OK. So in folder, this one is the latest JSON key. So I'm going to delete this one. So super cool. So branding, you can see everything here. You can add your logo, domain, all the things you need. So verification. So let's revise what we need to do here. So we need to add your user email here to access the API. You need to create, a client. Client is basically a secret API key to access the API. And on the data access, we need to add scope. Basically, you search YouTube data API v3 and you add all the scopes here and you just save it. So that's all for configuring your cloud. So this is the code that we are going to use to upload a video on YouTube. We have to code uploader.py and YouTube upload.py. So this is the main code we'll be running. So I import this function upload video from this module upload youtube.py. In this code we have authentication, which will take a JSON file that we downloaded from the Google Cloud Console, and it will authenticate, and it will upload channel ID, category ID, title. So I disabled other parameters so you can enable it. In this part we have a API JSON path. This is the JSON we downloaded from. So this is basically this client secret we downloaded from Google Console. And this is the video path, and this is the channel ID. So to get the channel ID, you can go to the your channel, so customize channel, and you can click on this part. It will always start with a U. You can copy this path and just paste it over here. So yeah, and so at first you need to install the requirement file. So it will take some time. I uploaded the requirement file. So I'll also pushing this requirement file and all the Python scripts into the GitHub. You can pull on the project from there. So now I'm going to run the code. So I'm removing this part. So you just need to run Python uploader.py. So it will redirect you. So you need to choose your email ID and you need to continue. So the authentication flow is completed. You may close this window. You can close this window. So here you can see upload complete and the video is uploaded successfully. So if you go to the contents, you can see one video is being uploaded, so it's black. So it will take some time. Let's refresh it. See, the upload is completed. You can delete this video. Yeah, it's working. So this is the code. It has all the authentication and all option. We can set a language, different language and audio language, and many more. So you can get this code from GitHub. I'll put the description and the link in the description section of the YouTube. You can send me an email or drop a comment if you have any doubt. Feel free to reach to me. I'm open to any question or doubt. Thank you for watching.